So hello guys, today I am going to explain you steps for installing Linux on your computer. So first of all, what is Linux? Linux is an open source operating system that powers the internet, supercomputer, and yes, almost every serious robot out there. So to learn robotics properly, you need Linux. But how to get it on your computer? You have two main options. First is the VirtualBox, and second one is Dual Boot. So first, VirtualBox. Think of this as a running computer inside your computer. It is an app that opens on a window where Linux lives. It's easy to set up and more safe for the window, but it costs performance. Second one is dual boot. This means installing Linux on a separate partition of your hard drive. When you turn on your computer, you choose, do I want Windows today or Ubuntu? So this provides very best performance utilizing 100% of your processing power, and professional mostly use this setup. But it comes with some consequences that you might lose your data which is stored into the Windows. Now it's up to you which installation process to choose. In this video, I am going to tell you about VirtualBox installation process. So this VirtualBox is a software which you will install onto your system. In this system, your Linux will be running and living. Now you need to download two things. First is VirtualBox and second is Linux distribution. For now, we are using Ubuntu 22.04 Linux distribution. Okay then, switch to any browser and search VirtualBox. This is the official website, Oracle VirtualBox. Click on this. After getting this website, you will see the download button. Click on this. Here you can see the multiple operating systems are available for which you can download VirtualBox. You have to choose according to your system. Right now I am using Windows host, so I will choose Windows. If you are using Mac, you have to choose accordingly. Now start download. After completing the download procedure, you will see this VirtualBox application in the File Explorer. So double click on this. Now an installer is being opened. So you have to press next. Now after reading this license agreement, you have to click on I accept terms and license. Next. Don't touch this. Just click on next. This is the warning. In the installation process, the network connection will be disconnected. So make sure you are not using internet in other process. So click on yes. You have to click on all the checkboxes at the start menu, create desktop shortcut and start by default. Then click on next. So I am now ready to install the VirtualBox application. So press on install button. Now the installation process is started. Now second, you have to download Linux distribution, which will be Ubuntu 22.04 version. So switch to any browser and search Ubuntu 22.04, and the first website Ubuntu 22.04.5 LTS. This is the official website. Click on this. Scroll down. You will see multiple things to download, but our main focus is Ubuntu 22.04.5 desktop AMD 64.ISO. This is the image file of our Linux distribution Ubuntu. So click on this and okay, start downloading. So you can see the downloading is started. It is 4.4 GB of file, so it will take time. Be patient. Now you can see the Ubuntu image file is being downloaded. So congrats. So now our installation process is over. You can see an application has appeared onto the desktop named Oracle VirtualBox. So double click on this. So this is our VirtualBox where we are going to run our Linux. So now we have downloaded our image file, which is Ubuntu 22.04 version. The next step is to boot our Ubuntu. So in this, we have to go to Oracle VirtualBox Manager, the application we just installed. Click on to the new button. Here you will see this pop-up. You need to fill the details. So name of virtual machine will be Ubuntu. So you can name anything. I am naming it Ubuntu. Then next select location where this whole Linux will be stored. So prefer not to select D drive or sorry C drive because it's by default window manager. So now I'm selecting E drive for storing the Ubuntu. You can select C also if you don't have other storage. Now selecting the ISO. So ISO is the Ubuntu file we just downloaded. So here it is Ubuntu 22.04. Double click. Okay. The OS is Linux. Distribution is Ubuntu. Version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Done. The next step is set up and attach. So click on here. You need to set up username and password. So I will be naming it my name, then the password, confirm the password. Okay, so I have written the username, password, confirm password. Next is virtual hardware. And this we have to select the number of CPU. I will be increasing this number to 3 and the base memory keep that as it is. Then the new virtual hard disk. So this is 25 GB. You need to have minimum 25 GB of space. Press finish. Now it's saying that powering VM virtual machine. It will automatically open the window of Ubuntu. So be patient. It will take time. So our machine is open. Don't touch anything. It will start automatically. It will first install some setup. Now you can see our system is restarting. Now it is saying Utkarsh, and this is the name which I have given to my machine. It is asking for password. So now I am inside Ubuntu. So this is the home screen you can see, and you can also see this is the window on which I am running Linux using VirtualBox. So congratulations, our Linux installation is completed. So you can do, press Ctrl Alt T through this shortcut. The terminal will open and you can run some commands like ls. You can see these are the repository which are by default present in the system.